wonder.
The microwave is kind of like, oof. But this microwave is kind of old, so I wouldn't invest too much time on this because they might replace it. I'm gonna ask them.
Pass.
The stove is fine. It's old.
It's really decent detail though, because you can already see it. Like.
Yeah, but I don't think a lot of it's gonna come out because it's really old. So let's just ask them like how detailed do they want it.
Did he say anything about the oven?
The oven is a little too dirty, but no, he did not.
What about the fridge?
He did not mention the fridge, but I assume he's. But I don't think we're gonna be able to do all this in like.
An hour and a half.
No, 2 hours. 3 people, 2 hours. So I'm gonna call him and ask him like what exactly does he want and how much he wants to pay. This is the difference between a company that charges you per hour and a company that charges you, well, an honest company that charges you per hour and a company that charges you per job. Company that charges you per job is going to make you think that they're gonna get everything clean. They're gonna overall estimate everything and they're gonna do a Mickey Mouse job, not tell you. An ethical company like mine that charges you per hour is going to let you know how much can they actually do in that time with your budget. It's going to let you know exactly what can they get done with that budget. And it's going to tell you what's possible, and it's going to tell you like if you want more, it's going to be this much more, or we're getting a little bit of extra time. They're going to work with your budget. It's much easier to be transparent and clear when you tell people like the time that things take to clean. And even if it takes longer or less time than you actually guesstimated, you're not lying because you're pretty much asking for extra time. That's what you're asking. You see, I'm gonna try to get it done. And most of us small business, if we go a little bit over the time, it's no big deal. But it's no big deal. But at least you got really close to the time in the budget that the customer wants. So bathroom looks fine, except, well, I mean, this kind of, you can do much for this kind of wood. And then there's just like soap. It's kind of a little shower, but yeah, it should be fine. And then where's the other bathroom? Yeah, I think this door is closed though. Was there a bathroom downstairs? Yeah. Oh, this one looks bad. Hey, Martin, you should be taking photos though. Or I should be taking. Oh, this is bad. Yeah, for example, I would tell the customer, there's no way you clean this. It's really old. Replace it. They're really cheap. They're like, you get a brand new for $20 at the store. Like, no, not even point in paying for somebody to clean something this old and damaged. This thing, like, man, I don't know why people let this get so bad. This is where you require detailing. You can clean it and leave it the same, but detailing is a whole nother level of cleaning. Oh, you know what? Should I do a live? That's what I was thinking about doing on live right now. Doing our first live. Well, I did want to film a little bit. Are you filming too?
Yeah.
Okay, just take photos too. That's it, and then just like the baseboards. I can see that's like easy to clean, just vacuuming. It's not really sticky. It's a little sticky. It may, maybe with the broom comes off. It's kind of humid for some reason. See, all these things are different. All dust is different. It just really depends on the home. What in the world is this?